Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I did a henna eyebrow tutorial. Here's the clip. Other side, and I wanted to do it again, but this time I got a lighter henna eyebrow color tint. So I'm gonna do this one and show you guys what I do this time with the lighter color and see how it turns out. If you guys want to know how to do your eyebrows at home, henna tinting, henna eyebrows, whatever, then stay tuned for the rest of this video. I'm also probably going to do a teeth whitening treatment, so I'll show you guys how I do that too. And yeah, I'm just gonna get started right away. So what you're gonna need for this is some Q-tips to clean it up, a angled brush, whatever what you want. I'm using this one. Your henna, some water, some droplets of water, and something to mix it in. Let's get started. It says kit contents: 3 sachets of eyebrow henna powder, a measuring cup, a spatula, bottle to keep the leftover eyebrow henna powder in, and instructions, and then drippy droppy little pipe thingy. So let's just open it and show you guys the spoon to mix it, packets. This is the drippily drop thing, droplet thingy. Ooh, they gave me a new container, so I can just use this or the old one. I'll probably use a new one just for the video. But yeah, it says mix 1 to 2 drops. Let me just make sure this is right. For professional use only. What does it say? Blah 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 blah. Say on the back of the pack? No. Where is it? Let me find this out. Okay, I found them. So it says prepare 1 packet. 1 packet of contents is enough for 8 to 10 sets of eyebrow application, but we're not doing that. We're just doing 1. So I'm just gonna take out a little bit of a couple of scoops to be able to do mine. It says clean the eyebrows. So start from here and go to there. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes for desired color. Okay, so I guess I have to guess how much water droplets. Last time it said to use like a couple of water droplets. So I'm just gonna fill this up and then add it into my mixture. So I dumped it in, and now I'm gonna put the water droplets in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. See how that works out first. 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18. So I think that's good, and now I'm just going to start applying. Here I go. I was never good at drawing my eyebrows on. Okay, so now that I have it all applied, I'm gonna take the Q-tip and clean it up a bit and leave it on for 15 minutes inside. 10 to 15 minutes. And we'll be back when we're gonna remove it. In the meantime, I'm gonna finish my coffee and do my teeth whitening while I wait. I'm just gonna clean it up real quick. So now I'm just gonna hurry up and start the teeth whitening process. I like to brush my teeth, and then this is the light to activate the gel. Mouth guard, you brush to apply the gel. This is the gel. I have about one more application left, so I'm gonna brush my teeth real quick. So this is my third time doing this to my teeth, so I do it pretty fast. Open up the brush, put the gel on the brush, apply it to my teeth. And show you guys the reveal. Just my eyebrows. And this is my teeth. Alright, so that's the end of my video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know how I did. And yeah, this is the final result with just a little bit of filling in on the ends. So you let me know. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna attempt to whiten my teeth today. I got this little kit from Amazon and we'll try it out and see how it works. It comes with a mouth guard thingy and the light. So let's do this. It says you have to use this stuff. Comes with like the whitening gel, and this is a little brush right here inside, and you put you take the brush and you put the stuff on your teeth, and then you put this mouth guard thingy on and you attach it like this and and then you just turn the light on and leave it on for like 15 to 30 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I'm not gonna be able to talk the rest of the time. So let's just time lapse the application part. Oh, and here's a before. Obviously, you're not gonna get like instant results. You have to do it like probably for a week straight, but yeah, that looks weird. That's it.